Good evening. One general doubt and a general question that comes to the mind of many aspirants is that how many deputy chief ministers can be there in a state? I repeat the question. How many deputy chief ministers can be there in a state? In the similar manner, how many deputy prime ministers can be there for India? So this is a very common question and a general doubt in the minds of many aspirants. Let me give you some clarification here. Now, first thing what you need to understand is that Constitution has mentioned regarding the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Similarly, at the state level, the Constitution has mentioned regarding Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. Please remember, there is nothing like any deputy prime minister is mentioned in the constitution. No office of deputy prime minister is mentioned in the constitution. In the similar manner at the state level, no office of deputy chief minister is mentioned in the constitution. That is the reason why if you look at some states you have deputy chief ministers, right? And if in some states you don't have any deputy chief minister. In the similar manner at the central level, if you look at now, there is no deputy prime minister for the nation. Earlier, it was, Dr. Manmohan Singh for 10 years was the prime minister of India. At that time also there was no deputy prime minister. But before that, when Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the prime minister, at the time, Shri L.K. Advani was deputy prime minister. Right? So meaning is simple, that all depends on the party which is there in the power at the time. That all depends on the prime minister of the nation and the chief minister at the state level to decide whether to have that position or not. Alright? That is the reason why, there is nothing like any deputy prime minister that is mentioned. There is nothing like any deputy chief minister that is mentioned in the constitution. But this is the adjustment, the political for the political reasons. Some adjustments are made and certain offices are created. Clear? And how many will be there? That all varies from the interest of the chief minister from time to time. For example, yesterday, Bihar. In Bihar, Mr. Nitish Kumar has sworn in as a chief minister. Along with him, two more members have been sworn in as the deputy chief ministers. Not one, but two. Similarly, if you look at Andhra Pradesh, there are 5 deputy chief ministers. 5. Meaning that all depends on the interest of the chief minister. Alright? And similarly, if you look at a state called Telangana, say for example I am telling you, in Telangana, you don't have any deputy chief minister. So it will vary from state to state. It will be on the complete interest of the chief minister. Clear? Please remember this point and kindly remember the office of deputy prime minister, the office of deputy chief minister have not been mentioned in the constitution. Have not been mentioned in the constitution. Please remember this. Now, apart from this, today we have some other very important points that I would like to discuss with you. Kindly have a look at this. Look at the first one. This is related to NASA. Many times we discussed regarding this prestigious organization, NASA. From which of the following planets the NASA is planning to get samples back to Earth? So this is going to happen for the first time. From which of the following planets the NASA is planning to get samples back to Earth? So NASA wants to get samples to Earth. So that will be, the further research will be done and our scientists will come to know many more things regarding that particular planet and the soil that is available on that planet. But the question is that which is that planet? Is it Mercury, Venus, Mars or Jupiter? Answer is option C, that is Mars. And this is going to happen very, very, very soon. Clear? Next, another important one which is always there in the news during the time of Diwali or Deepavali, which India celebrated very recently. And regarding that, we have a question. In which of the following cities, Sadar, an annual festival is celebrated? And this particular festival, Sadar festival, is celebrated during the time of Diwali or Deepavali. Now the question is that in which particular city this annual festival is celebrated, and this festival is celebrated with a huge fanfare. Is it in the city of Ahmedabad, Moradabad, Hyderabad or Mumbai? Please remember, very, 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 very important one. It shows the culture, right? The cultural practices of that particular city. And it will vary from, this city to city, state to state. And whenever something is really highlighted, that may be a possible question and you need to know about this. And for this question, the answer is option C, that is Hyderabad. Look at this. Option C is the answer. This is Hyderabad. Note. Look at this. Sadar is a buffalo carnival celebrated annually by the Yadav community of Hyderabad. This is as a part of Diwali. It is also known as Dunna Potula Panduga. So whatever the words I have used now, these are the Telugu words, right? So meaning here it is called Dunna Potula Panduga. Otherwise you can say Buffalo Carnival. And it occurs on the second day after Diwali. Very, very important one. Important for the examination point of view. So we have one more question. Kindly have a look at this. Another very important one. Which of the following will become the first Indian state? Which of the following will become the first Indian state to get completely covered under the piped gas? Very, 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 very important one. So with lots of commitment by this particular state, it is almost done. Now that state is going to become the first state in India to get completely covered under the piped gas. Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra or Gujarat? Answer is option D, that is Gujarat. Very, very important one. So please remember this. So you may please have a look at the question. And the answer is option D, that is Gujarat. Fine. So that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much.